interrupt our programming at the request of the United Nations. All normal programming has been discontinued due to an ongoing global crisis. This is an emergency action notification requested by the United Nations to be activated on a global level using emergency alert system technologies. All television, cable, and radio operations across the globe shall broadcast this message. We will shortly deliver this message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Spreading through the air across the entire planet. It was emitted by an asteroid that recently passed the planet. The virus is known as C888, and it is confirmed to kill you within 10 minutes of infection. Animals are also infected, though they have been confirmed not to die, but instead will become aggressive and hunt down humans to bite them and infect them with this disease. At this time, over 3 billion people have already died, and it is expected that the entire human race will be extinct by 3 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Our fellow Americans and Canadians, there isn't even a reason to stick on anymore. Go into panic mode. Gather your loved ones and friends, and pray for our final moments together. U.S. President Barack Obama, Canadian Prime Minister Stephen J. Harper, and Queen Elizabeth II have selected a quote from religious scripture to be played on the air. In my Father's house are many rooms. If it were not so, would I have told you that I go to prepare a place for you? And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again, and will take you to myself, that where I am you may be also. John 14:2-3. We will now conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the Star Spangled Banner on U.S. channels, and O Canada on Canadian channels. May God help us all. See you on the other side.